Hi guys, this is Manish Kumar. Welcome to our channel Software Circle. Uh, Today we have a guest here. We have started a new series where we will be calling guests and have a interview with them, and we'll learn from their experience as we have started here Software Circle YouTube channel only for community services. Like we always advocate free and quality learning, and as much as possible, we would provide content which will be helpful for people from different backgrounds. So, just a short, brief introduction about Mr. Deepak. He is currently CEO of Minder Systems, and he is also running a non-profit organization. So, without further ado, over to you, Deepak. Please brief us. Please brief us something about yourself to our viewers so that we could get to know.
Thanks, Manish. Thanks for having me here. I am from Bihar and my native is Gaya city. I had done my schooling and the graduation from the Bihar only. And after that, I done my master from the Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. I had done the diploma in VLSI. My first job, you can say, is an internship as a trainee in Hughes system. After that, I joined a Microview Software Technology in Bangalore, which is Singapore-based company, and we are developing the camera over there. And I got the chance to work with the MRT Communication, which later known as Syncing Software, and where we are developing the NAS and some hardware and software products. And currently, I'm running an organization called Minder Info System and one non-profit organization called Dhani Welfare, and we are developing some software and hardware, and we are running one non-profit educational program called ESS Scholarship.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak. Many people have very curious. Maybe we'll get to know today whether it is myth or it is really true that if we do not get into a good college after in for graduation or engineering, we don't get a career in life. That is what the myth is, which I believe. Could you please tell us, our viewers, that how from the small city in Bihar you studied in which colleges, and how is your journey? Is it really a myth?
Mm, it is somewhat true, but it's not 100% true. See, when you are studying in the some unrated college, you have to do some struggle in the initial period of your life. Like I had done my graduation from Gaya College, then I done my master from the Guru Ghasidas University, which is very less known that time. So we had to, in our initial career period, I struggled so much because our college and university is not known to everybody. And everywhere they are looking for the non-colleges, IIT and IIMs. So with limited resource where we can study, we had done our part. Then we had tried to do our best, and now I'm in good position. Right?
Uh, so, is it the which we usually call the language English is really very important in our career or the communication skill or the presentation? What is your view on it?
Simon is actually I had worked in the 5 or 6 major city like Delhi, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Pune, and uh, after working this many years, I came to know that English is a one language which is familiar to every place. If you are going to Delhi, or if you are going to Bangalore, if you are working in Pune, English is known to everywhere, every person in every place. So English is necessary. You should know the English, but yeah, Hindi is also a second part, second language you can say. With Hindi or local language, you will connect the people in very good manner. You can say that it will very familiar, or it should very friendly like environment will be get if you're using the Hindi or local language. But for working, you should know the English. In communication, everything happening in English. If you're having a client of outside of India, you have to communicate in English only. So you must know the English, but yeah, for local communication, Hindi or local language should be preferred.
Okay, so I believe this is, I mean, this is not mandatory, but it is good to have, right?
You are talking about English?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not mandatory, but if you're working in IT field, maybe you will face some problem if your client is from outside of India. Or
Right.
maybe if you're working in north side and your colleague is from the south side, so it may be difficult to communicate with them. So you should know little English. It should necessary actually.
Okay. Okay. And the company which you are running right now, Minder Systems, so what you are doing in this?
Under Minder system, we had developed some product for education domain, and we are working for the. Actually, mainly we are working in education domain only. We have some product and we have some services for education domain. Like currently, we are working on verification system for a certificate, and yeah, parallelly we are running one non-profit service called Yes Scholarship for the school kids and the college students.
So tell us little more about your work in a school sector and in the schools, what you are really working on.
Yeah, actually, the Yes Scholarship is for the school student where we are conducting the examination or talent hunt examination, you can say, for the school kids from 1 to 10th class or 12th class. And we are conducting the test in different level, and we are rewarding the student on different level like a city level, state level, or national level like that. And we are giving them some cash reward and good opportunity to learn something new to them.
Oh, nice. So, do you also hire people from? I mean, do you employ people for a software or hardware development?
Yeah, we do hire the people for the software and hardware development, and we are working with some freelancer also. But we have some 10 to 15 member of team with us to work on the software and hardware part.
Okay. While hiring, what is your thought on students where few students are from top university and few are not from not from 1 to 10 top university?
University or college is not a big consideration for me. Considering the talent or knowledge of the student.
Thank you, Mr. Deepak. One last question that I have. Please give some tips to aspiring students who really want to get into the this IT sector, which could help them to enhancing their careers.
First thing, you should not lose your moral, because in career or starting career, you will get so many difficulties in your life. And keep trying. There will be some good position for you in future. So for just keep the goal of that position and work and study hard.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Deepak. I hope our viewers will really like this interview, and that definitely help them. And thank you very much for drawing some time from your busy schedule. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Manish.